Hello everyone, my name is Neha Vaidya. Today I am making this video assignment for service marketing and my topic is travel and tourism. So let's start this assignment by knowing the history of tourism. In modern era, the ability to move around and see new places was start. Mass tourism continued to develop in the first half of the 20th century. This gave the working and middle class in a certain countries the time and money to fulfill their travel dreams. So the demand for tourism grew. In 2019, the travel and tourism industry in India contributed around 268.29 billion US dollars to the country's GDP. So we will see the 7 P's of the marketing mix. How the 7 P's of the marketing mix working in travel and tourism industry. So first of all, what is the 7 P's? The 7 P's is nothing but price, place, promotion, process, physical evidence, product, and people. So we will start by the first P of the marketing mix, which is product. Marketing tourism product is a different from most other products because what is being sold is a consumption of an experience rather than tangible product. Booking of accommodation, theaters at various sites, tourist experience by visiting a destination, eating at restaurant and performing an activities, transportation of tourists and their luggages from one place to another. Intangible, this is the intangible product of the tourism. And we will now move to the second P, which is people. Traveler, tourist, employee. People plays important role in tourism. Customer service is focus issue in tourism. The travel agent, guide staff of a travel companies are the people. Their skill, efficiency, knowledge, motivation, customer care is very important. Now, the third P, which is place. The place is where tourists visit and stay. The potential of a tourist destination lies in the attractiveness or the aesthetic value, accessibility, facility it provides to the tourist. The tourist also seek a place highly for the activities it offers, the amenities and skilled workforce it provides, and its location. For example, luxurious hotels, cafes, accommodation, sites, etc. And the fourth P, which is price, the most important. Pricing, actually, the marketing in the marketing mix, the price is the only resource of the money for the companies. So the pricing is very important on the side of the service provider and the service taker receiver. So pricing is a pricing in tourism is a complex process. Pricing includes the price of other service like air travel, bus, railways, hotels, etc. Pricing also depend on the seasonality. Seasonality is the most important factor in pricing. Price used to achieve a predetermined sale volume and the revenue objective. It gave a pre-received value in the eyes of the customer. And the fifth, promotion. The promotion, a range of the activities can be used to convince a customer to buy the product, including the information kits, websites, advertising, personal selling, sell promotion, travel show, public relation, promoting the tourism product in local fairs, and promoting the product with their attractive feature on the website of the tourism enterprises. And the sixth P, which is process. There is a different type of a process involved in running tourism business like administration, training, planning and strategizing, recruitment, distribution. It is important to ensure that this process are planned and carried out properly so that the operation runs smoothly and quickly. Now, it's last and the seventh P of the marketing mix, which is physical evidence. Physical evidence is that which can be easily associated with the product by the customer. As the tourism product is highly intangible, the place, the decor, the people, and everything else in the tourism office may be related to the experience in store. The physical evidence of tourism product refers to the range of tangible attributes of the operation. Tangibilizing the product is a good way of giving the positive and the attractive hints or a cues to the potential customer. So basically, this is how the seven P's of marketing mix is working in the travel and tourism industry. Thank you so much.